This is a tutorial in how to do remote phone interviews for your podcast using free software called Cleanfeed.net. It's easy to use and it has great quality. So go to cleanfeed.net, and if you don't have an account, hit the Get Started button and create one. Once you have that, log in like I am doing here, and I'm going to hit the Start button. And now I see the interface. Just to point out the three tabs here. One is Record, the other says Clips, the other says Audio. We're going to start with the audio area. And under Audio Quality, you want to make sure that you use the pull-down menu to select Speech Optimized. Once you've done that, you can X out. Now what we want to do is we want to invite our guest. So we're going to hit the Connect button. All we need to do is type in their name and address and hit the Invite button, and they will be sent an invite. They just simply need to hit the button that says Connect, and they will show up in a pop-up screen once you are ready to record. Now, if you have more than one guest, hit the Advanced area, and you can put in several emails here and then send them the invite. When you're done, just click X out of it. Now we're ready to record. I'm going to click the Record button, and I want to put the name on the interview. So there I do that. And this second area right here is vitally important because you want to select stereo split because you want separate audio tracks. Then when you're ready to record, just hit the Record button. Now you can see that I'm already recording here. You can tell because the VU meter is bouncing and I have the numbers that are rolling here. If you were to do an interview that was perhaps 30 minutes or more, you might want to hit the download button and do a periodic save. So you just hit the button like that, and there goes the audio. Now at the end of the podcast, what you want to do is hit this red button, and that will put it in pause. Then your recording is over, so now you can complete the whole file by just downloading this, and you can take that waveform into your audio software and edit it. So cleanfeed.net, free, easy to use, great quality. Hope it works for you.